Welcome to this video tutorial. So today we will see what is virtual ground concept in op-amp. So many books that are available in market, they made this concept is very complex, but it is very simple. So in simple terms I will explain what is virtual ground concept in op-amp. So first one is virtual. So what is ground? So that one here I will draw a circuit diagram for of op-amp. So in inverting configuration, that means input signal is connected to inverting terminal of an op-amp. So and non-inverting terminal is grounded. Yes, right. So this is a feedback resistance. So R1. In this point I mentioned the 2 points V2 and V1. Here inverting terminal is connected to input signal V and non-inverting terminal is grounded. So here at V1 the voltage is 0, V1 equal to 0, because this terminal is connected to ground. Again, then what is the voltage at V2? That we have to find out. We know that this op-amp has infinite input impedance, that is infinite input resistance. So R equal to, that is infinity. We know the Ohm's law, that is R equal to V divided by I. So in this case input impedance or resistance is infinite, so V divided by I. So this equation holds good only when I equal to 0. If I becomes 0, then V divided by 0, that is becomes infinite. So infinity equal to V divided by I, right? So but V divided by 0. So here V is nothing but it is a input signal. For an operational amplifier, op-amp is an differential amplifier which amplifies the difference between the two input signal applied at two of its terminals. That is this op-amp amplifies the difference between these two input signal. So at the input side we have a differential input, that is a difference between these two input signal. So V is nothing but infinity equal to V is nothing but V1 minus V2 divided by 0, because I is 0. So 0, if you take 0 this side, 0 into infinity, it is 0. So V1 minus V2. So 0 equal to V1 minus V2 is nothing but V1 equal to V2. So this means if this point is at some potential, that is ground potential, then ultimately this point is also at the ground potential. So we are calling it as a virtual ground, means at this point we have a 0 volt because V1 equal to 0. Why? It is grounded, so V1 is 0, but we have an equation that is V1 equal to V2, so V2 is also 0. At this point voltage is at 0 potential, that is ground potential. It is at ground potential, but it is actually is not connected to ground. It is not connected to ground, so we are calling it as a virtual ground, whereas it is connected to a ground. So this is a virtual ground concept. Here it is at a ground potential, but it is not connected to ground, so we are calling it as a virtual ground. So only difference between these two is that it passes current, whereas this terminal it sinks the current. Okay, only difference, it passes the current to flow through it, whereas it sinks the current. This is a virtual ground concept. Thank you.